So my mom says, don't throw good food after bad. What does that mean? That means when you burn something, don't ruin it by trying to cover it up with other food. When you've put way too much salt in there, don't see if you can save it. It's not worth it. Don't throw good food after bad. And the other day, I had potatoes. They were not good potatoes. You can see my potatoes right here, but because I've just moved in, they were a little bit different. Some of them were leaking and smelled really bad. Of course I didn't use them. I took away the good ones, threw away the rotten ones, made myself great baked potatoes. It's exactly the same thing with your business. Don't throw good money after bad money. Don't waste your efforts on marketing channels that don't work. If an advertisement isn't working, don't waste your time thinking, oh, eventually it will work. It's not going to. It never will. It's not meant to because it's not effective. If your efforts aren't paying off, look at where your efforts aren't paying off. That's why you're tracking your data. That's why you're tracking your efforts, tracking your results to find out where that effort is working and where it isn't. It's also what will give you greater results in the future. Now, if you know about this, if you like this, if you've had similar experiences, let me know in the comments, give a like, and I'll be talking to you soon.